But my question for you, General Miller, is in your 28 years in office, you've used that as the reason that you believe Iowa should return you to your job. Can you explain how your office dropped the ball in prosecuting the sexually violent predators? Just what went wrong and what you did to stop it, or how you became aware of it? Because most people only became aware of it when they read about it in the newspaper this summer. Just what went wrong?
You know, we have just an incredible office. The people that work there do incredible work, particularly in the criminal law area, handling some of the most important and difficult criminal cases, the murder cases, and now the sex offender cases. We've put 582 people in prison for life. We put 84 people in the sexual violent predator program. If you ask any defense lawyer, ask any judge or any observer, they would say the Attorney General's office is first rate in its work, including sexual predator. Now, we're all human. We can make mistakes. And I explained what happened a few minutes ago, that it was a mistake sort of around, but one that unfortunately happened, and will happen from time to time. But the point is, the overall point is that our people work hard, do a terrific job. They are human. They occasionally, in 28 years, will make one or two mistakes. That will happen. But what my opponent is trying to suggest is that we don't do a good job because of those two mistakes. One more costly than others. But that is trying to tell you something that's not true. The truth is, and you can ask anybody in the criminal justice system, the AG's office is first rate. It's one of the best law offices in the country. And, you know, you heard the number of times she tried to raise this. You see her commercial. The idea that she's trying to convey is that the Attorney General's office doesn't do a good job. That's a false idea. It's totally false. And when politicians do that for their own gain, try and convey principles, issues that aren't true, that's why people don't like the political system. They've had enough of that. Brenna, that is the old politics. Indeed, that is the Washington politics. That's the kind of politics you learned during that 7 years in Washington. And you shouldn't. And I don't think you'll be able to bring that kind of politics to the Attorney General's office.